Hey guys, Houdini Ty here, helping you escape your 9 to 5. Super exciting day today because I got new fish. These are black convict parrot hybrids. Some people call them jelly bean parrots, whatever they're called. They are awesome and super rare. I bought the one and then I said, you know what? I don't come across these too often. Let me buy another one. They are $34.99 a piece, so not cheap, not a cheap fish, especially for its size, but hey man, you like what you like, so let's unbag them. All right, I got my Cool Whip jar. Found it, I was like, wow, it's perfect. Fat jar, perfect for holding fish out the bag. So here we go. Okay, got one. They came from the same tank, so the water is exactly the same. All right, we got two. There they are. Pretty nice looking fish. Still a little scared. Can't wait to add them to the tank though. All right, got them acclimating in the tank here, as you can see. Let that sit there for a little while. The tank does need quite a bit of overhaul. We're gonna be doing this Tree of Life design, redo the aquascape. So I'm not going to show you too much of the tank right now until it's all done, but we got the little guys in there ready to go. All right, well, we got them in the tank. The first minute of his new home. So far so good. It always worries me when the fish's mouth opens and closes like that. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of my electric blue balloon ram that I once had that opened it and closed its mouth like that real fast. Made me think like, I don't know, it's just not a healthy fish, but we'll see. We'll see, he seems okay. Let's see where the other one is. I have no idea. Oh, there he is. Doo, 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 doo. Yeah. I thought the other one was the big one. This is the big one. Bruh. And when I say big one, he's like the size of a quarter. This video being all zoomed up like this makes him look crazy. But yeah. Nice looking fish. He'll figure his way out soon. 5 minutes later, and it seems that they found each other and they're enjoying each other. It's pretty cool. Tucked away back here. Pretty cool. You can see how, like, what size they are compared to the moss ball that they're next to. So they're not big. I mean, that is a big moss ball though, but they themselves are not too big. Great size. Super rare to find them this size. They seem happy, which makes me happy. Good looking fish. Looking forward to redoing this tank so that we could see them in all their glory. All right, well, that's the tank, that's the new fish, and I will catch you at the next video.